Ready to transform your Shopify store from basic to brilliant and drive serious sales with stunning design? Let's dive in. First, the foundation: choosing your Shopify theme. Browse the Shopify theme store. There are free and paid options, each with unique styles and functionalities. Look for a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetic and offers the features you need for your specific products. Consider responsiveness for mobile users, as a huge portion of online shopping happens on phones. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to customize. Head to online store greater than themes and click customize. This is where you'll tailor your store's look and feel. Start by uploading your logo right at the top, then explore the sections on your homepage. You can reorder them. Add new ones like image banners, featured products, or testimonials, and configure their settings to showcase your offerings effectively. Product presentation is crucial. High-quality images are non-negotiable for building trust and driving sales. Invest in clear, well-lit photos that accurately represent your products. Include multiple angles, lifestyle shots, and close-ups of details. Your product photos are your digital salespeople. Make them shine. Now, let's craft compelling product descriptions. Go to products and select a product. Beyond just listing features, tell a story, highlight the benefits, paint a picture of how your product will improve your customer's life, and use persuasive language. Include keywords your customers might search for, and ensure your descriptions are easy to read with bullet points and short paragraphs. Don't forget navigation. A well-organized menu makes it effortless for customers to find what they're looking for. Under online store greater than navigation, create clear and intuitive menus for your main navigation and footer. Link to your product collections, important pages like About Us or Contact, and any other key areas of your store. By focusing on theme selection, layout customization, stunning product visuals, persuasive descriptions, and intuitive navigation, you'll build a Shopify store that not only looks fantastic but is also designed to convert visitors into happy, paying customers. Happy designing.